Take 3. Imagine. Hindi na sa yung ginawa ko kanina. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I'm going to talk about... wait. If you have an upcoming trip here in New Zealand, or you are an aspiring nurse just like me who wants to practice here in this beautiful country, and nalilito ka sa pag-prioritize ng mga gamit na dadalhin mo, this video is for you. I know. In this video, I'm going to talk about things to bring or not to bring in New Zealand that just makes sense. Yay! When I came here in New Zealand, ang dami kong dala. So, I bought excess baggage, I bought clothes, ang dami kong dala, and I've realized that it's very hard, especially if you don't have a permanent place to stay. So, just like me, after MIQ, I went to Christchurch, and then to Foxton, kasi dun yung cup ko, and then, yung OSCE ko, and then I went to Palmerston North for my clinical placement, and finally, here in Wellington, where I found employment. And during those times, through those unpacking, packing cycle, I realized that almost 50% ng mga gamit na dinala ko, hindi ko pala siya magagamit. So, it was very unwise for me. Sayang yung money, time, effort. Kasi di ko naman pala gagamitin. So, here are the list of things na sana na-realize ko before I went here. Number 1, bring or at least secure your Philippine driver's license bago pumunta dito. Kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin sa New Zealand for 1 year. Second, bring your certificate of good standing. Yung latest. It's better if you request sa PRC yung latest. Kasi nag-expire din yun. Because sometimes, nire-require siya pag magfa-file ka ng APC. Third is, mag-open ka na ng NZ bank account prior to moving here. Even if you're still in the Philippines, pwede ka nang mag-apply ng bank account. Just like me, I opened a bank account sa ANZ. Just open their website and apply for a Go online account. Basta, just visit their website. And then, while you're on MIQ, call or book an appointment sa branch that you prefer para ma-verify and ma-activate mo yung account. And you should do it as soon as possible pag nandito ka na sa NZ. For pocket money, I would suggest to have it changed sa bank sa Philippines or di kaya sa money changer. Assuming you will be traveling frequently, katulad ko, kasi wala akong permanent place to stay, I would suggest that you should have a bag tag na pwedeng ma-erase yung sa my destination na port. Kasi, for example, just like me, from Palmerston North to Wellington, nag-bus lang ako. So, kailangan ko palitan yung final destination nung nasa bag tag. I think it's good if you're just going to print a template ng bag tag, have it laminated, so that pwede mo siyang ipentel-pen na lang palagi. Tapos, whenever you want to change the details, just erase it with alcohol swab. If you are packing your clothes, use vacuum bags. Yung mga nabibili sa Shopee, vacuum bags, at saka bumili ka na lang din ng portable vacuum. Kasi, you would save 50% of the space pag gumamit ka ng vacuum bags. Although, it doesn't really affect the weight of your baggage, but at least you get to maximize the space. And the reason why it's better if you have a portable vacuum as well, yung pump lang, hindi yung vacuum na legit. Portable vacuum pump is that wala ka namang always access sa vac. So, it's better if you have your own. And I think it would be better if bumili ka na lang din ng extra vacuum bags kasi there are some instances na mapupunit siya. So, at least may extra ka. This is one of my biggest mistakes nung nag-impake ako. I bought a lot of trench coats instead of puffer jackets. Very, very wrong. kaya malapit akong maayos. What I should have done was that just buy 1 or 2 decent puffer jackets, yung legit ha, kasi hindi lahat ng puffer jackets nakaka-provide ng warmth na kailangan mo. Kasi malamig siya dito, although mataas yung tolerance ko sa cold, there are times na it's just very, very cold, especially when the wind is blowing hard. So, yun, bumili ako ng mga, I think, 9 trench coats na wala, hindi ko siya magamit, pang OOTD lang siya kasi hindi siya nakaka-withstand ng cold. So, if I were you, bumili ka ng isa or dalawa or isa na lang, tapos you can buy here. Yung price range ng puffer jackets dito ay usually mga, I think you can buy a decent one, $150 below. Pwede na yun. Kasi at least pag bumili ka dito, you know that it's tapered sa New Zealand weather conditions. So, it's legit na mainit. Kasi ang hirap pag malamig, promise. And speaking of winter clothes, you can buy some heat techs, pero buy or bring sweater as well. Kasi yung mali ko din is heat techs, ang dami kong heat techs. Heat techs lang dinala ko, tapos wala akong sweater, o diba? So, the proper layering is that heat tech, sweater, and then puffer jacket so that you're toasty when you're walking around the city. Speaking of clothes, maraming op shop dito. So, pwedeng wag ka nang magdala ng masyadong maraming OOTD kasi bumili ka na lang sa op shop dito. Or, if you are fond of buying from Shein, meron din naman Shein dito. And then, they deliver 1 to 2 weeks just like in the Philippines. And the price range is also same din sa Pilipinas. So, don't bring a lot of clothes. What you should bring is a lot of makeup. No, a lot of supplies ng makeup. Tapos, moisturizer and sunscreen. Kasi super duper mahal ng makeup dito. Actually, mahal lahat. But, makeup is very, very expensive. So, if I were you, mag-hoard ka ng maraming makeup. Especially, magsama ka din ng moisturizer kasi super nakaka-dry yung skin. Moisturizer at saka sunscreen kasi feeling ko ang lapit ng araw dito. So, sunscreen is good. It's up to you if you're going to bring tabo. Kasi for me, sana hindi na lang ako nagdala kasi ang laki ng na-consume na space niya sa bag ko. Only to find out that I can use yung malaking measuring cup, yung mga 1 liter, yung parang pitcher or something. Pwede mo yung gamitin instead of tabo. But if you really like tabo, meron din sa mga Asian store. And I saw one sa Daiso. Speaking of pagligo, maybe you can also bring bathrobes. Especially if yung magiging room mo dito is walang own CR. Kasi ang lamig pag naglakad ka from bathroom going to your room. Tapos may iba kang ka-share na mga tao sa bahay. So, weird. When it comes to weather, dito sa Welly, it's very windy. And lately, naulan siya palagi. So, pag nagpayong ka, masisira lang yung payong mo, tapos ililipad ka lang. So, what I would suggest is buy raincoat. Kasi dito, uso sa kanila yung rain jacket at saka raincoat. I bought one sa Kathmandu and it's quite expensive. It's $60. Tapos, top lang siya, jacket lang siya. Unlike sa Philippines, di ba yung raincoat natin, merong pair, tapos meron yung mahaba, tapos makapal siya. So, mas okay kung yun na lang yung dadalhin nyo. Kasi dito, pwede ka naman bumili nung, they call it poncho. But it's very manipis. So, hindi siya durable. At least yung raincoat na PVC sa Pilipinas, durable yun. So, raincoat, PVC raincoat. PVC ba? Hindi ko alam, basta yung makapal na plastic is a good investment. Ito ang second greatest mistake ko. Hindi ako nagdala ng extension cord from the Philippines. Hindi ko alam bakit. Naman ko sa sarili ko. So, I was planning to buy one from Amazon, but it's very expensive, especially the shipping fee. So, bumili ka ng legit na high standard na electric cords. Tapos, bili ka din ng legit na adapter ng AUNZ adapter. Tapos, yun na lang gamitin mo para sa extension cord. Tapos, secure extra cords for your devices. Kasi dito, mahal din. Like, mga $30, $40. So, bili ka na ng mga extra. So, if you're just like me, who wants to walk instead of ride or drive, bring comfortable sneakers. Tapos, ang ganda din ng mga views dito. So, magandang mag-ikot-ikot So, bring comfy sneakers. And nagtitipid din ako sa pamasahe. Yun ang main reason. Okay, by the way, reminder, if you're going to travel, bring pain meds with you. Tapos, lagay mo sa carry-on. Kasi what happened to me was that nilagay ko lahat ng medicine sa check-in baggage ko. Tapos, nag-migraine ako throughout the journey. Mabuti na lang yung kasama ko meron siyang dalang paracetamol. Alam ko eh. Hindi ko alam ba't hindi ko ginawa. So, just a reminder, if you're already here but still wala ka pang permanent place to stay, stop yourself from buying things kasi mahirap and it will be expensive. For example, if you keep on buying clothes and then you have to travel, especially by plane. So, magbabayad ka ng excess baggage. Just stop yourself from buying things impulsively. Bumili ka na lang pag meron ka ng permanent place. That's what I did. Kasi, basta, ganyan yun. And if you did anything else, go to my favorite store, which is Kmart! Wala lang, ganda dun. Tapos mura. Not mura, walang mura dito guys. so, at least, more affordable compared to other shops. So that's it. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Pag meron kayong other suggestions on what to bring here in NZ, comment down below para mabasa din ng ibang viewers. So, that's it. Bye!